Hey guys, it's Deborah from Time is Jewel by Deborah. So, America Thrift Shop came out with a newer listed box, and it was shoes. And I figured, why not try it? So the price was really decent, and I used the Kristen as my 15% off discount. So the cogs on these should be really good. This box is huge. Let me show you. It's huge. So 15 pairs of shoes. The cost on this compared to ThredUp, I think the ThredUp shoes are $80 for 15 pairs. And this one I think came out to like $45 or $46. So, alright, I pre-opened it but haven't looked. So, alright, it's heavy. So, my total was $48.23. So that means my cost of goods are going to be great. So let's hope they're fantastic. So, alright. Lots of suede looking boots. Okay. Hopefully the second one's in there. So we have a hot tomato. Large size. It feels like a faux suede. Size 11W. Hey, my size. Alright. Hot tomato. Let's see if I can find that second one. So size 11. I don't know anything about that brand. They look in great condition. Definitely been worn. You can see a little dirt here. Easy picks. So, first pair, my size. I like this box already. Alright, let's go. Alright, next up we have another winter boot. Let me take these off. JBU. This brand does sell for me. It is not a high-end seller, but this looks in fantastic condition. I don't think anyone ever wore this. Let's see. It is a size 8.5. It definitely has some, like, maybe pet hairs. Not sure. Let me find that second one. Let's see. Okay. So that looks in fantastic condition as well. So I will hold off a little bit if you guys don't purchase these. I will hold off a little bit on the boots. To list them, I will list them at the end of the summer, but it is winter somewhere in the world, and on eBay, you know, it is a worldwide audience. So usually I would list it right away, but I am going to make any I have to get my time right? So I have a lot of stuff to list, and I would really like to get my summer stuff up first. So priorities, right? Next we have a pair of Haan shoes. They definitely need to be cleaned. I'm going to turn that light off for a second. So they are white with an animal print. Haan Grand. They look in good condition. They're just dirty, and I can take a Mr. Clean to that. Or I can use a wipe. Let's see if I can find a size. They are... I'm going to turn that light back on, you guys. Alright. It is... I don't know. I will definitely look it up. So let's see if the other one looks as good as well. Where is it? Okay. So here's the other one. Just has some pink or red on the bottom. So they've been worn, but the treads look great. Yeah, so these are great. Haan, again, not a high seller, but they do sell. Alright, let's go with a pair of sandals. Now these I will list right away. They are Arizona, size 8.5, new with the tag. They were originally $45. They're an 8.5 medium. They're brand new, and they look fantastic. So super cute. Love that design. So like that, and the tennis shoes I would list first. All right, then we've got a boot. This is Forever. It's a size 8.5. It looks spanking brand new. There's still a sticker on the bottom. So that is a really nice color. Let's see if I can find the other one. Okay, let's hope it's in here. Yep, all the way down at the bottom. So yeah, it's brand new. They look great. I don't know anything about this company. So great, another solid fall winter shoe. Okay, then we've got a flat, oh, this is really pretty. It's like a faux suede Bear Traps. Great brand. Great brand. I don't see the size. There's some, hopefully that's dirt and not poop. You guys know the struggle is real when we clean these things. Okay, zipper works. It's called the Sky. It's a size 8.5. Textile upper. Balanced man-made materials. But super cute. Looks in good condition besides needing to be cleaned. Let me find the other one. Not kidding, this is a big box. Alright, here is the other one. Make sure the zipper works. Sure does. And I always have to check to make sure it's a right and a left, you know, because there has been times where you get two left shoes, and that's weird. Alright, there is a little bit of like peeling there, or not peeling, but like it had been scratched, but super cute. Those, I can myself. This box is fantastic. Alright. Then we got another pair of boots. They're brand new. They were sold at DDS. So these are a great winter boot. Look at that. They're brand new. They're size 10. And they're by Bamboo. So again, not a really high brand, but these are solid and they're really kind of cute. So I'm going to put those down there. I'm going to turn my box over. Looks like we've got 3 more pairs, 2 more pairs. Okay, we have some Anna. Aren't these precious? These are a size 8.5. They've definitely been worn. There's a hair and it's not mine. But isn't that great for summer? Just need to use a Mr. Clean or a tub of towels on that. Let me put that over here. See the second one. Here it is, new with the tag. They were $60. Anna. But they've definitely been worn, so, or at least tried on and walked around in. But great, great. And we have a pair of Journey Collection. Really cute. These are in great condition. Journey Collection. Looks like they are a size 9. Really cute. Never heard of this brand. I will definitely look that up. Fantastic condition. Okay, and the last pair of shoes. Oh my gosh, I wish these fit me, and I wish they were flats, but they don't, and they don't. So, they're purple. Look at that. Gorgeous. Size 8.5, so majority of these are an 8.5, except for those 11s, which are my size. All right, this is Coach and 4. That is another great brand. These are beautiful. Beautiful. Maybe something like right there that should come off. Just needs a like suede clean. Let's check the other one. So Coach and 4 is a good brand. I really like their products. All right, you can tell someone tried to scratch the sticker off. It has been worn. The heels have a little wear. But wow, you guys, what do you think for the cost of goods? So it was $48. So these are probably like $4.50 per piece, maybe, not even. So we got the purple, we got the Journey, we got the Anna, and good sizes, you know, they're not all teeny tiny. We got the Bamboo boots. See, that's 10 times fast. I'm gonna put them back in the box as I go. All right. We got the Bear Traps. I think these are the best in the box. Then we got the really cute sandals by Arizona. We got the Haan Grands. We got the beige new Forever shoes. So I don't know if those are sold by Forever 21. I don't know. I will look it up. We got the JBU boots. And we got that first pair of suede boots. And the heel's nice. You know, I won't break my neck on these. Size 11 medium. They were new with the tag. Really great. So let me know. What do you guys think? I think this is a pretty fantastic box. I will definitely be ordering this box again. I sell a lot of shoes on eBay. I love to sell shoes, especially when they're in this condition. Minor cleanup on all of them, and some need no cleanup. That is like the best of both worlds. So, all right, you guys, if you are interested in any of these items, email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. I should have popped up prices somewhere up here. And as always, let me know. What do you guys think? Do you think I should order another box? I'm going to. So, all right. And don't forget, you can use the code Kristen, Kristen, for 15% off at America's Thrift Supply. So, and this was that 15-piece box. So, great. Great, great, great. All right, you guys. Well, you have a fantastic day. And as always, be well and take care of each other and tell someone you love them today. It's really important. Bye, you guys. Have a good one.